Hello guys, so welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I will discuss about two trades that I have taken today. Both trades were on gold. So let's just start doing some analysis and what was my thought process behind those trades and why did I execute those trades. So today when I came to the chart, as you can see, after the Trump is back, gold has been trending down. We have seen a good movement to the downside in on gold. So when I came to the chart, we had obviously a bearish movement, and my bias was bearish. uh, I jumped to the 4 hour time frame. When I came to the chart, I think price was here. Let me just turn on the history. Yeah, so price was here. Yeah, right. So we already had a good move down, good move to the downside. So on the 4 hour, we obviously broke this support and we moved down. So I jumped on a 1 hour time frame to see what extra information that I can gather and if I can mark my zones. But even on the 1 hour time frame, price has moved a lot to the downside. So I think I came to the chart at this moment when price created the support. So this was, so let me mark you, uh, let me do some marking so that you can understand that what I'm talking about, right? So let me just delete this. Yeah, so when I came to the chart, I saw price was trending down. We created a support on a 1 hour time frame. This is a 1 hour time frame, and when we created a support, all I wanted for price to. So here is the thing. When I came to the chart, my bias was not for buys. I would have looked for buys if I had seen some sort of a market structure that has formed, and then I would have looked for some buys. But right now, after seeing daily and the 4 hour, my bias was obviously a bearish. Then I jumped to the 30-minute time frame, and when I see we created this support, right? And then I talked to myself, if we created a support and if we break below this support, then your ideal target would be, so I was basically targeting this 25 uh to triple five area, 2555 area, because we have some sort of a market structure to the left hand side. So I was targeting that area. So I saw this support form. Then I jumped up to the 15-minute time frame. Then I said that, okay, if this 15-minute candle is breaking the high, and if so, here is the thing that you need to understand and you need to focus when you are creating your bias and you are planning your trades. So when I see on the 30-minute time frame that this was your support and this was your resistance, so when this candle broke the high and broke the resistance, previous resistance, so broke this resistance, then I said to myself that, okay, if the next candle create a bottom wick and if starts breaking the high of the previous 30-minute candle, then I would have ride this to this area, which was around 30 40 pip range, if you calculate. But what happened was this candle, it just opened bearish and it went down straight away and closed back into this range. We are talking about a 15-minute time frame over here. But if you look at the 30-minute or has also broke above this, but this candle had no wick at the top. And whenever candle has a no wick at the top, there's a 50% chance that price will either move bullish or bearish. So it's better to wait for next candle to form. And what next candle did, it just started without even creating a top wick. It started and it just went straight away down. And when you see candle with a no wick at the top, and if it is pushing down, it means the volume for the price to push down or going down has become higher. It's more, and the probability of price moving down is now high. So as soon as let me open up my history. As soon as this candle start breaking the low, it see, if you look closely, the price action, this candle has created a top wick. When this top wick has formed, as soon as this candle starts breaking the low of the previous candle, since this 30-minute candle has broke below this support, and when this candle broke the low of the previous 30-minute candle, my sell went over there. So as soon as price broke, there was a crazy amount of volume. Since Trump is back, we are seeing good movement in the market. And when this candle broke the low, it just dropped, it just melted. And I secure I think 15 20 pips at this point, and secure the entire position at this. And then candle came back, and it started retracing, and it closed at this area. So this was the first trade. And the second trade, that it's kind of interesting, because uh, second trade, probably I would not have executed, but I have seen this kind of price action in the market so many times. So this was pre-London, so you need to ask a few questions to yourself when you are you know planning a trade, or having a clear bias that where price is going to go. If you have so in this scenario, the trend is down, so number one thing, the trend is bearish. Second thing, the entire volume indicates you that the price should go down. And if there is a volume in the market, you need to understand how the market moves, what kind of market structure that you have, and what are the wick fills. So when this candle closed like this is obviously a weak bearish candle. If this was a bullish trend, you would not probably want to look for wick fills to this side. But since we are moving bearish, and this candle closed like this candle also closed below the support, and this kind of trade comes with a little bit of experience, because you need to see the price action for at least 3 to 4 months prior to taking such kind of trade. So I saw this candle, it wicked up, and it's already started created a lower higher top wick, and it started breaking its own low. If it is breaking its own low, I think there is then I said to myself that if it is breaking its own low, and if we have already created a top wick, then the probability of price filling this wick becomes very high. And as soon as this candle, if you look on the 15-minute time frame, 15-minute we have some more information. If you look at the 15-minute time frame, this candle closed bearish, so we had a confirmation that the next candle would start pushing down. But I executed trade as soon as because I did not execute this trade just based on a 15-minute time frame. I executed this trade based on a 30-minute time frame. So when this candle break its own low, I executed a sell. The next candle started, it created a top wick, and it broke the low. And as soon as it broke the low, a crazy amount of volume pushed the price. I have already posted this trade on my Instagram and also on YouTube short. Go check that out. But as soon as this candle started breaking the low, I executed a trade. As I would have hold this trade, but I think I was just targeting this wick fill to the left hand side. And when this wick got filled, I close the entire position, and then I just call it a day. So I took only two trades. It was very nice setup. It was quality setup. We had a volume. The Trump is back, and since Trump is back, we can expect a good amount of volume throughout these years, the upcoming years. And this is a good time to execute trades on gold. If you understand, if you have education, if you understand the market structure, if you understand the price action, you will be able to identify such momentums in the market. And the only few things that you need to the extra things that you need to really take care of is like your mindset, your discipline, your rules that you have set for yourself. So all this stuff. And one more thing that I would like to point it out, that see guys, I post my analysis on daily basis, and I literally don't use not even a single indicator. I don't use Fibonacci, though I know all these indicators. I know Fibonacci, I know these elite waves, these harmonics, chart patterns like head and shoulders, teacup, that pendants, ascending triangle, all this stuff. I have used all this stuff in my trading career, but trust me, I have not got any help from them because I was constantly making losses why when I was using those indicators, or even the other indicators like Bollinger Bands and moving averages crossover, exponential moving average, MACD, all this stuff. I have used all this stuff for years, and they didn't help me. The only thing that helped me and has put some impact on me was price action and understanding the market structure. So I keep things very simple. I like to see volume pushes, momentum pushes in the market, and that's what I do. And I think that's all you need to be succeed in this market. And the second thing would be your mindset, your patience, your education. So yeah, I hope you have learned something from today's video. I hope these videos are helping you to gain some knowledge, and grow in your life. So thank you so much. Hopefully see you in the next video with some more content and more setups. Thank you guys, thank you so much.